What's up guys? In this video, we will be talking about a project that is the next era in digital advertising. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Alkimi landing page. Link will be in the description of the video. And just like what I mentioned guys, this is the next era of digital advertising. And they are actually putting it into the blockchain network. Alright, let's start off by knowing who Alkimi is. They have the About Us here. Alright, so if you click on the left menu here, it will show you different things. And I will get to that in a bit. Let's start off by knowing who Alkimi is. So for too long, centralized programmatic advertising has created mistrust and opacity. They are actually fixing this by transforming Programmatic through decentralization. And just like that guys, advertising has already transitioned into the blockchain already. And this is the founder guys. He is the CEO. Ben Putley has over 12 years of experience in digital advertising. So they have a sustainable design right here guys. You could learn more about that one. And I would also like to show you guys the advertisers that they have with Alkimi. And as you can see, they are maximizing the impact and attention service that suits you. They also have how it works here. 100% share of screen on premium publishers. All the ingredients of campaign success handled for you in one place. So they are basically a one-stop digital advertising company. So you can go ahead and check on that. So if you have a business and you would like to get your business have a better traction in the market, go ahead and check them out. I would strongly suggest that you go ahead and check out Alkimi. Do your own research guys. On the left side, when you click on menu guys, they have how it works. They have the roadmap, About Us, advertiser, publishers, Alkimi Labs, tokenomics. Let's go ahead and click on tokenomics for quite a bit there. So 250 million tokens in the circulating supply. Okay, so they have private sale 1, 2, and 3. They have for team, advisors. So this is the allocation of the token that they currently have. So I would strongly suggest guys, do your own research. This is something that is really very feasible. I believe this project would make it big in the industry, especially with digital advertising, guys. There are a lot of companies that are looking into, digital advertising, social media advertising, and all those good stuff. Alkimi would definitely be one of them. And this is a very good project for you to check out on. All right, let me go ahead and show you more about them. So for total transparency, we undergo financial audits for 100% of media spend. Guys, if you click on Ads Explorer, it will take you to this one. All right, so the latest snapshots, you have the wallet and all that. You have the snapshots for this, okay? And they have all the charts that you could go ahead and check out for Alkimi as well. So they have the soft staking in there. Let me go ahead and click on that. Okay, so SD ads, soft staking pool. You can also explore this because again, guys, staking can be a good passive income. And so instead of you just holding the tokens that you have, why not stake it and get money out of the tokens that you are hodling, right? So NFT viewers, we have to connect the wallet for that one, and then Alkimi nodes. All right, next one that you could also explore for passive income, guys, would be the Alkimi nodes. Nodes play a crucial role in the Alkimi ecosystem as they provide decentralized computing resources to verify ad auction data and store it in an immutable ledger. So you could also be one of the nodes. This is a very good passive income, guys. Go ahead and check that one out. I believe we also have a video in our channel that talks about nodes. Go ahead and check that one out. So ads are broken in the web, guys. Web3 fixes it, and Alkimi makes ad even better for everyone. So if you are a business owner, this is something that you really need to check out, guys. Cheaper for business. They also have real people that will see your ads, and you have total control over the ads for the publishers, okay? Now, plus guys, per Alkimi, they are showing an impressive 3 ads for the cost of 1. So again, guys, this is a bang for the buck. And guys, if you are a business owner, I know for a fact that you know how much or how valuable marketing is that plays a very, very big role in the success of your business. So publishers needs ads to use Alkimi. And guys, even Coca-Cola is going massive with Alkimi in 2024. So stay tuned for that. And another big thing, guys, is that 300 plus big names, big company names are using Alkimi. And then guys, on average, guys, Alkimi is delivering 250,000 blockchain verified ad impressions daily. And with a market cap that is only 10 million US dollars. And guys, this ain't just bullish. It's to the moon. It will take you to the moon. Do your own research, guys. Make sure you do it fast. Don't miss out on this one. Go ahead and check out all their social media platforms. Let me go ahead and show you that one. It's actually at the bottom of their page. So they have their Medium here, their Twitter, there's YouTube. They have the LinkedIn, Discord, and Telegram. Go ahead and check those social media platforms out. Don't miss out on announcements and all those good stuff. Their office is based in Barcelona. And guys, stay until the end screen videos. Those videos will definitely be helpful for you in your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, please do not forget to click that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.